Today we'd like to introduce how to make sushi roll using frozen breaded shrimp. First, we'll need JFC branded frozen breaded shrimp. We'll also need the following ingredients: sushi vinegar to add to Japanese rice, avocado to be sliced, tobiko, black sesame, Japanese rice to make sushi rice, and seaweed sheets. Using medium heat, heat up cooking oil in a pan to about 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. Cook the frozen breaded shrimp for about 3 minutes till it's golden in color and set aside. Prepare a seaweed sheet and layer sushi rice evenly. Flip over the sheet and lay down the fried breaded shrimp. Using a mat, roll tightly in place. Next, cover with sliced avocado and cut the roll into bite-sized pieces. Top each piece with tobiko for added flavor and sprinkle some black sesame on top. That completes our sushi roll. JFC frozen breaded shrimp can also be made into other types of sushi roll as well. Thanks for watching.